Hello friends, do you want this sidebar in your smartphone? You just have to do some few settings and this is very easy. The sidebar is very helpful friends. You don't have to find your application while QR UPI payments or using map. You can easily slide this bar like this, and here are your important applications. You can also edit this. So let's start our video friends. First of all, you have to come on your device settings. Here you have to find accessibility and convenience. So here is the option for smart sidebar. You have to click on this. In my smartphone it's already on. So if this is off in your smartphone, you have to on it, or if you want this to hide, you have to off this like this. For now I want, so this won't be available now, as you can see. But if I on this, when I slide from top right, there will be a sidebar. I can edit it according to my convenience. Thanks for watching the video friends. Hope you like the video, and this floating bar or sidebar will help you a lot. Subscribe.